All right, mommy a beer. Hurry. So sad. All right, he'll wait. He'll wait. You think he knows what it is? You got it? Oh, no case. He brought me the whole case. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Just one. Just, oh, my gosh. Whoa, baby. Did you shut the fridge? Thank you. All right, put it back in the fridge. Let's see them muscles, baby.
Hurry, put back in the fridge.
Oh, got it? Ah, ah, oh. You got, oh. Use the handle. This is so sad. Oh my goodness. You are so strong, buddy. Oh.
Case would not do that.
He's too smart. I didn't think he'd know. Did you do it? Oh, and you shut the fridge. Oh, you want to get on brother's back? Good job. Put him on your back. Yay! Go, Corbin. Oh my goodness. That's a parenting fail right there. Bye. Love you. Corbin, you got mommy a beer? Yes, you did.
So proud of that.
Corb, you did good.
Yeah,
High five.
Beer.
High five. Ah, my